Ka office jong ka district health but medical officer jong ka Ribhoi district kala pelong ya ka jengkhe ya ka World Tuberculosis Day ha district library hall nong po ha ka jing dan lang MLA Meral Bonds ringkan ki officer ka tanat ka koi ka kia na ka district ha ka ni ka sngi ka office kala sam ya ki jing bam te met sha ki beshitom na ka ni ka jing pang TV la sam ya ki da ki peleng bat ka dot ukha bat ki we de ki jing bam na ka benta bikin yo ya ka met ka bashat ka baklan ha ka ni ka sngi la dan lang DMH Dr. A.R. Merak, Dr. Badipet ya ke Jengpang TV Haribhoi District, Dr. E. Kalwing, Presiden ke NYPF Uba Pendap Langwalang, Bat Kila Don Kiwe Ru Kibala Syakot Ngobah Ha Kani Kasngi, ke Arpusau Trik Luber Al-Hajar Al-Pendriu. Benang Benbahasa Syuk ya ke Jeng Ajeng Sumar ya ki Bapang Bashitom na Kani ke Jengpang TV, UMLA ke Nongpo Uba Meral Bon Ula Pelai Paitbat ya ki Kali Balatip Kum ke National Mobile Medical Unit na kebenta ke Ribhoi District.
TB screening. Similarly, the DCIC, so they helped us to reach out to the construction workers to increase the mass screening. Similarly, MS, RLS and DRDA, they have helped us to spread the awareness at the grassroots level. They have helped us to increase the mobilization when the people go at the ground for screening. So this shows how different government agents are being involved in this whole of government approach to eliminate TB. Just involving health department is not enough. We require each and every stakeholders to be involved for this TB elimination. And today I would also like to emphasize that to eliminate TB it's very important that we detect TB early. जितना जल्दी हम टीबी को डिटेक्ट करेंगे उतना जल्दी we will be able to support, we will be able to give you nutritional baskets. Therefore it's quite essential that the people, they should not be afraid of screening. The radiation जो होता है वो it's not harmful. I think the doctors and lot of people have been telling you कि अभी जो X-ray radiation है it's not harmful. So people should come forward for screening because TB can only be avoided if it's detected. Without detecting TB, we cannot eliminate it. So I would like to again stress that X-ray screening and the diagnostic tools, those should be those are the game changers, and we need people and the community participation that more and more people should come forward for this TB screening. So earlier 10 to 20 years back, TB was something which was not curable. But now TB is preventable, it is treatable and it is curable, but only if it is detected in time and treated properly. So I would like to again stress that our collective goal is clear, that is TB harega, Desh jeetega. So let us continue working together with the commitment, with the compassion to eliminate TB from our district and eventually from the country.